How you doing down here today? What are you going to do? What are you going to do today down here?
Nothing.
Yeah? That's a whole lot. Doing nothing is a whole lot. You want to take my hand?
No.
Where are we headed?
We're headed this way.
Yeah, we're going to go see what's down here. A lot of stuff doing with boats down here and ships. Well, these are considered boats and yachts. And it's quite a marina. And maybe we can find a boat that we can go on. You want to go on a boat someday? Yeah. You know, we've heard about people going on boats and stuff and getting out on the water, going on a cruise. And we just might do that sometime, if we're lucky. You feel lucky? Do you want to get on the water? Look at the water. Look at how placid it is today in the marina. Wow. That is a placid one. What a beautiful place. Let's go see what else is here. Sales. We just might buy something, huh? We just might buy something. Oh, and they have all this stuff. Oh, this is nice. They paint shells. Okay. No, I'm not going to hold that. I ain't going to hold that. You're not going to incriminate me.
I don't need
You want me to hold this?
I don't need
But here, you put it in your pocket. I'm not going to carry this weapon. You carry it. Keep it there, cowboy. We're here at the marina. You can't cause trouble. All right, now let's go. Uh-oh, music, copyright infringement. Oh no, I gotta turn it off. I have to turn it off. So here we have some yacht sales. Price reduced. I see it. This is called Daydreamer. It's 50 foot. Okay, quiet. Be quiet. 175K US. Sale pending on this one. This is Beneteau 405. Okay, 82,000. Let's see this one. A 39-foot sedan trawler. It's at 39,000. It's called Hobnob. Okay. Here we've got another. This one is a 405. It's a 40-foot. Asking for 108K. Now those are just totally out of my range. Oh my goodness. Speaking about out of my range, here's a Bertram 50 foot for 395K. Wow. Yeah, I could just grab that one up. It's called Conquistadora. I bet it is. This one's a little bit lower. You can see it's 65K. Striper and the trailer. I think you get the trailer with it. She's called C. Ann. Right, I don't see anything for 1,000. So, I guess I'm not in the market.